Today we've got something unique, the CMF Phone 2 Pro. This is the second smartphone from the Nothing sub-brand after it launched the CMF Phone 1, the upgraded version of Nothing's budget-friendly smartphone. But does it pack enough punch to compete with other mid-range versions? Right out of the box, the CMF Phone 2 Pro feels matte finish, sturdy build, and that signature CMF design language with a plastic body. Inside we've got the phone itself, a USB-C cable, a 33-watt Type-C fast charger, SIM ejector tool, and some minimalistic paperwork. The back has these two cool textured finishes, which look great in hand with a little rotating wheel on its bottom right. You could screw in different modules like a kickstand, card holder, and lanyard. The back panel is not interchangeable, but you can place a plaque on its back, which is magnetic. There is one more camera lens added, and now you can place it externally. An ultra-wide or telephoto lens on top of your phone. The camera lenses and the LED notification light are a neat touch. The CMF Phone 2 Pro comes in a vibrant orange, white, black and light green color. Up front, we've got a flat 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Colors pop, blacks are deep, and 3000 nits peak brightness, it's super smooth. Watching HDR content on this is a treat. The single speakers sound surprisingly loud and clear for a budget phone. Not quite flagship level, but way better than most in this price range. Here are a new button on the side of your device. Press once to capture the content on your screen, or long press to record your voice, ideas and inspirations on the go. Under the hood, there is a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro 5G chip inside it. Same as last year's 7300 chipset. There is not much difference in performance. You will get almost same performance this year as well as the previous year. You will get the Pro version this time. Apps open fast, multitasking is smooth. It has 8 GB of RAM and two variant of storage, 128 GB and 256 GB. It runs Nothing OS 3.2 based on Android 15, with that clean, bloatware-free experience we love. The widgets and dot matrix aesthetic give it a unique vibe. The 50-megapixel main camera takes sharp, vibrant shots in good light. The 50-megapixel telephoto is decent, and the 8-megapixel ultra-wide, well, it exists. Low light performance is okay with night mode, but don't expect pixel-level magic. The 16-megapixel selfie cam does a solid job. Skin tones look natural, and HDR handles backlighting well. The 5000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day. With 33 watts fast charging, you can top up from 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes. No wireless charging, but that's expected at this price. The price of this device is starting with $299. So, is the CMF Phone 2 Pro worth it? If you want a great display, clean software and solid performance without breaking the bank. It's not perfect, the cameras could be better, but for the price, it's a steal. What do you think? Would you buy this over a Pixel or Redmi? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.